red chili, green chili, Thai basils, pea eggplant, kaffir, galangal, lemon for zest, stalks of lemongrass. This and this are roasted coriander seeds, roasted cumin seeds. This is garlic, chopped shallots, white peppercorns, and I'm using a pestle for crushing, a stone modern pestle. You can use them. I'm using this because it removes all the flavor and the aroma from it. That's why I'm using this. You can also use a First, let's mix all the dry ingredients. Here I have taken the white peppercorns and the other seeds like cumin seeds and coriander seeds. So now let's grind this into a thin powder. Now I've crushed this quite thin, and now I will remove it in a bowl. We don't want this to be in the pestle when we are crushing it, when we are making paste out of the wet ingredients. Now I will show you how to remove the zest part out of the lemon. We have to take only the yellow portions, not the inside white portions. See, we only want the yellow portions, not the white portions. Now let's mix all the wet ingredients. First, I'm taking chopped shallots and I'm adding some garlic to it. And I will crush this a little bit and then add the rest of the things. Now I'll add the rest of the ingredients. First, take all the Thai basils, then the kaffir leaves, then the lemon zest, then the lemongrass, then the galangal, and the chilies, and blend and we have to crush this into a fine paste. If it becomes too watery and it starts going here and there, add a little bit of this powder. It is really hard to crush this, but the end results are good. And now it's also smelling awesome. It's like so flavorful. Its taste is also super flavorful. It's time consuming, but it's worth.